Believe it or not, this tiny Japanese RV is outperforming brand new American motorhomes. It's over 25 years old. It was never originally sold in the United States, and yet people are paying to ship these across the ocean. And wait until you see what's inside, because that's where this gets really surprising. At first glance, it doesn't look flashy. It's compact, simple, almost understated. But the moment you start looking closer, you realize this thing was built very differently. Walking around the outside, the first thing you notice is the size. Compared to a typical 30-foot American Class C, this feels tight and intentional. It's built on a proven Japanese truck platform, known worldwide for reliability. These engines are famous for going well past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The shorter wheelbase makes a huge difference. It feels easier to maneuver, easier to park. You're not wrestling with a giant bus every time you turn the wheel. Whether you're driving through a city, heading into the mountains, or exploring national parks, this size just makes sense. The body construction feels solid. Panels are tight. Doors close with a reassuring thud instead of a hollow rattle. There's a noticeable difference in how everything aligns. It feels engineered, not rushed through mass production. And here's the big reason Americans are suddenly buying these. Once a vehicle turns 25 years old, it becomes federally legal to import into the U.S. That rule opened the door, and now these Japanese motorhomes are showing up in states all over the country. But the real surprise is inside. As soon as you step in, you realize how intelligently the space is used. Nothing feels wasted. Every cabinet, every corner, every surface has a purpose. The cabinetry feels solid even after decades. The fit and finish still hold up impressively well. You can tell longevity was part of the design from day one. The dinette area is compact but flexible. It converts into a sleeping space when needed, which makes this layout practical without adding unnecessary bulk. Because the interior isn't oversized, everything feels within reach. It's efficient and easy to live in. Before I show you the best part, I want to know, would you actually import one of these over buying new? Comment yes or no. Now take a look at this kitchen setup. It's simple but complete. Gas stove, sink, compact refrigerator. It gives you what you need for real road life without wasting space on features you'll barely use. Up front, the cab-over sleeping area is surprisingly roomy. For something that looks small from the outside, it comfortably fits 2 adults. That's one of the biggest shocks. It doesn't feel cramped like you might expect. There's also a compact wet bath. Simple, functional, easy to maintain. Again, no unnecessary complexity. And that's really the theme of this motorhome, simplicity done right. In a market where many new RVs are getting bigger, heavier, and more complicated, this feels refreshingly honest. Fewer electronics, fewer systems to fail, a design focused on reliability and usability rather than showroom flash. That's why Americans are importing these. They're easier to drive, often more affordable than new RVs mechanically proven, and different from everything else on the road. It's not about luxury, it's about smart design. And sometimes, older really does mean better. So, would you choose this 25-year-old Japanese motorhome over a brand new RV? If you enjoy discovering unique RVs most people have never seen before, this channel is for you. We explore smart builds, hidden gems, and underrated motorhomes. So consider subscribing. We've got more coming.